Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. It's been a little while. Here we go. We're checking out the Sunforce Solar Motion Security Light. It's an LED and it's solar powered. It comes with a solar panel, little cable. You can run it to where you want to. Multiple time and detection distance settings, weather resistant, adjustable lamp, 100 super bright white LEDs, adjustable motion sensor, all that good stuff. So actually the lights can rotate and stuff too. All right, anyways, this runs about $67 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I will be doing an install video on this as well. A little bit of tape on there. Okay, I guess I could tear the box, but maybe I'll try to preserve it here. Sorry about this. So with these solar lights, it should have one, not exactly like this, but similar with just a solar panel on top. And it's nice if you don't want to run any wiring or whatever. And with the LEDs, you don't really use a lot of energy. So even if you're in a cloudy area, these should still be able to gather enough sun from your little solar panel to run these LEDs. My goodness, they really need two of those bad boys on there. Okay, and we continue. So, little thing from the shipper there. And here we go. We have the installation instructions, some mounting screws, some cardboard. All right, so first thing is the solar panel, and it has looks like a fairly long cord here. I'm going to guesstimate at least 6 feet. I'm sure it says how long the cord is. Let's check this out real quick here. No, I'm not seeing that, but that's okay. Do you want me to measure it? Well, it's at least 6 feet, I'd say. I'll be doing an install anyways, and I'll leave that link in the description below when I do. But nice, decent sized solar panel. Looks at least about 6 by 5. So there is that. And then we have the light itself. Okay. And it's, like I said, these are adjustable, so that's pretty cool. Get a full, and this light right here also moves up and down. Your sensor panel, I like that it doesn't have, it's just kind of, just stiff, and it's just going to stay where you leave it. So no additional screws that you have to tighten, unscrew it, move it where you want, and then screw it back down. I have a solar light out front that I have to do that with, and it's pretty annoying because it's just, you got to unscrew it and then try to hold it in place while you're screwing it back. I like that these are just kind of stiff, so you just move it where you want and it stays there. So that's pretty cool. It's not going to get blown around by the wind either. So a lot of range of motion here on the panel. Okay, so looks like installation is going to be a snap because this is well thought out actually. So this thing goes, you'll install it on your wall, and when you want to put your light there, boom, just put it right on there. So that's a good idea. It looks like it has a battery backup here as well, in behind there with screws and stuff. So on your motion sensor here, it's got test. It's got 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds. Time, distance, low, medium, high. So say you're kind of far away from a road and you don't want the traffic setting off your camera every time, you could set the distance a little bit on the sensor. And auto, off, and on. So different features there. So pretty cool. Looks like it's going to be a fairly easy install. I'll be putting this up on the house there, and I'm not sure what I'm going to try to run this solar panel so it to get the most sun and also kind of stay out of the way a little bit. Let's see if this is okay. Also, this is adjustable as well, and it just like the other ones, you don't have to. Oh wow! So not only does it go up and down, but it also rotates around as well. So that's you'll be able to set it to get as much sun as possible. All right, my friends, that's about it for this unboxing, I believe. Yeah, just some more cardboard and stuff. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be doing a install video, and I'll leave that link in the description below. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. I do appreciate it. I got a lot of people that watch, but not a lot of subscribers. If everyone that watched would subscribe, I'd be getting a nice little play button. So you guys take care, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.